my dear family and friends. Welcome to City Kitchen Moments. Let's begin our lovely and yummy show that stars tomato pappu. Tomato pappu or tomato dal is a lentil-based dish that is cooked with tomatoes. The taste of tomato pappu or dal is enhanced when it is eaten with steaming hot white rice and a dollop of ghee. There are various methods to prepare tomato pappu. It can be prepared in a pressure cooker or directly on stove top by boiling the lentils on a low flame. Either way, tomato pappu retains its unique flavor. To make tomato pappu, wash and rinse 1 cup of tur dal or kandi pappu in Telugu, which is the split pigeon peas or lentils. Add rinsed dal to a pressure cooker and add 3 cups of water. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 green chilies cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and secure the lid. Let it pressure cook on high flame until the pressure builds up. When you see that the pressure is building up, insert the weight and wait for 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, turn off the heat. Keep the pressure cooker aside until the pressure drops. When the pressure drops, open the lid and we can see that the lentils and tomatoes have softened. Mash the mix well, add salt as per your taste and mix. Now it's time to add the tempering. Heat oil in a small skillet. Add 2 teaspoons black gram, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 broken dry red chilies, 1 crushed garlic, a pinch of asafoetida, which is inguva in Telugu or hing, and saute until the mustard seeds splutter, crushed garlic rawness disappears, and also black gram has turned into nice golden color. At the end, add chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves together and turn off the heat. Add the sizzling tempering to the cooked tomato dal and mix well. Our aromatic tomato pappu is ready to be served. Simplicity of this tomato pappu turns out uniquely flavorful when served with hot white rice, ghee and avakai pachadi, which is the mango pickle. If you like this recipe, please like the video, share it to your loved ones, comment your feedback, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest notifications. Hugs and love from City Kitchen Moments. Thank you.